Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this short video that we're making this morning to demonstrate the sound of this beautiful shamanic drum, which is a buffalo drum. And as you can see, it's got some beautiful markings on it. Now this drum is for sale on our Etsy shop, and there'll be a link underneath the video to pop along there and have a little look. It's got a beautiful hardwood branch handle. I won't go into too much details because the purpose of the video really is to listen to the sound. So we'll have a little play. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. Thanks for watching. I'm Crow. This has been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.